All right, it's time now for our DIY security tip. You're going to love this. And have you ever tried to sign up for a service or app and there's a button that says log in with your Facebook account? Sounds simple enough. Well, sites like Airbnb, Spotify, and Tinder and others, they totally give you this option. But have you ever thought, what does this mean for your security? Yes, it's always convenient. I get that to sign up for a service using an existing Facebook or Google account. I mean, doing this autofills all your information. It adds your profile picture. It sets you up with just a single tap. But what's the downside? Apple has a novel, secure way of handling a single sign in. But before I cover that, let's start with when you log in using your Facebook credentials. This very simple step shares your data contained within your account with who knows who. I mean, you already know that Facebook's business model is predicted on selling your data to the highest bidder. Why would that logic suddenly end when it comes to account sharing? So, for example, if you log in with Facebook on Spotify, maybe you're served some targeted advertisements that relate to browsing and like history. It's all part of these deals that they do with one another. But what about cybersecurity risks? Okay. I mean, if you suddenly have all your data out there and one platform gets hacked and maybe a small e-commerce platform lets you log in with Google, they get hit with a cyber attack, there goes your data. So what's the right option for safe sign-ins? Creating separate email addresses that will handle some or all of your accounts. Also, you need to have a strong password. You want to use an account with strong security like Gmail. And you also want to set up two-factor authentication. And of course, we're going to give you links for exactly how to do that on the various sites that I mentioned over at komando.com. But what about sign in with Apple? Is that more secure? The company says it is. Well, Apple does have security in mind. It features end-to-end encryption to protect your logins and doesn't even associate with your account with any of the logins that you set up. So if you want to learn more about Apple's sign-in process, as well as the other links that I mentioned, you're going to find them all on our website. That's komando.com. KOMANDO.com. Once you're there, click the link that says Kim Show, and underneath there's show pics. That's where you go. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.